Tinikling Group of Migrants, Hong Kong. Is from two Tagalog words, sub-sub meaning falling on head, and bali which means broken.
Sugli dance.
Bali. I think that's the right pronunciation of it. Which means broken. Hence, the dancers appear to be lame and crooked throughout the dance. This version is originally a ritual dance of the natives of Bawan, Batangas, which is shown during fiestas as a ceremonial worship dance to the town's icon, the Holy Cross. Let's welcome to be performed by the Tinikling Group of Migrants, Hong Kong, Sugli Dance!